efficiency. So ideal thermal efficiency, in solving that, so you use this formula. Diba? So you use work of your turbine divided by energy chargeable. Diba? Energy chargeable po natin is your highest minus lowest plus reheater. Diba? Looking here, ang pinakamataas po nating enthalpy is this the highest one. This is enthalpy 7. Then our lowest is enthalpy 1. Plus, yung reheater natin, so we have here one reheater, so let's just add one reheater, so that is 8 and 9. So 8 plus 9 or 9 plus 8. So, you write it here. So your energy chargeable would be H sub 7 plus minus H sub 1 minus ayaw niyo sumulat. H sub 1 plus yung difference ng atin sa reheater, so that is H sub 9 minus H sub 8. So this energy chargeable would give you a value of 3,163.48692.5. Write the unit here, kilojoules per kilogram. Having this value, and you know the work of your turbine, you can now calculate for your ideal thermal efficiency. Okay? Ideal thermal efficiency is 33.82985%. Okay po. We goods with this answers po? Any questions? If same po tayo ng answer, that is great. Ano? So, almost dito lang talaga siya tayo nagkaiba. Mostly. Sa mga nakita kong solution. Kasi na-round off yung sa akin dito. But, then, your answer here will come up with the same. If I'm not mistaken, ang nangyari lang dito is 45 yung last decimal. Na-round off lang din yung sa akin dito. Okay po. So, engineers, do you have any questions with the calculations nung ginawa po natin dito sa isang ideal reheat regenerative Rankine cycle? Any questions po? Clarifications? Any concerns? We goods? If goods po tayo, you can type 1 po sa chat box. Let me know if you're still there. Yan. Thank you po for your reactions. I mean, your feedbacks there. So, ito naman po. Pwede ko po siya i-share sa mamaya sa classroom natin yung solution ko dito para magamit nyo siya if ever you need it. Ano po? So, yun. So, this activity 6, ito pong activity 6 na ito, you can try to answer this on your own if gusto nyo lang po. And then, I'll be uploading kung saan po pwedeng i-upload yung sagot dito. And this would be your additional points for the final exam. This is for your final exam. Then yung kahapon, yung pamula po dito sa mga devices natin, yung mga nagsagot po nito has additional points for your quiz. Specifically quiz 2. Yan. So ito pa, upload ko din naman po ito later sa classroom. Ano? So if yung sino lang po may gusto, you may try. Okay po. So, do you have any questions, clarifications with reheat, regenerative Rankine cycle? Eric, question po ba? If wala po, you can tap a reaction. If meron po, you can raise your hand or type your questions on the chat box. Okay po. So I hope you do get what I want you to grasp from the idea of regenerative Rankine cycle. And um, yan. Sige. I'll stop sharing my screen muna. Keep that. Stop ko lang po. Tapos, may share ako sa inyo na sa classroom. Yan. Share ko ulit ang screen. Yan. Is my screen visible na po sa inyo? Yan. So, um, I'll be uploading early yung ating pong problem set. This is your problem set number 2. So, madami po ba itong problem na ito? Hindi po. Ito po is tatlo lang. Ano po, tatlo lang po yung ginawa kong problem kasi po baka may gawin din kayo sa ibang subjects. So again, for your front page, write it like this format. Po, gandahan po ang sulat kasi po nag-reflect po yung scores ninyo doon sa unang problem set. Okay, this is your first page. So that is problem set 2, ME405 Thermodynamics 2. Okay, this is your problem 1. Yan po. So pagka po nagagawa ng ganito, alalaan po na meron po tayong sinusunod na format. Una, summarization, then assumptions, then analysis, and then your solution. Okay po, tandaan po. Summarization, assumption, analysis, and then your solution. Okay po? So next is your problem 2 as well as your problem 3. Madadali lang po ito. Kayang-kaya niyo po ito. Tapos po, I have also said here na if you want to print the border lines, I have uploaded here the file that you may use to print. Ito po, naglagay na po ako. Para po yung sa mga ayaw na po mag-drawing kasi medyo time-consuming yung pag paglilinya-linya. So you may use this file or you can print this one. Tapos dito na lang po kayo magsulat. Okay po? So when you are drawing your devices, if you want to calculate that, so try to use rulers in drawing. Po, hindi po yung drawing ay basta na binax, basta na naging turbine design, ganun. Tapos po pala, pansin ko lang din, yung inyong mga diagrams. So halimbawa ito. Um, halimbawa, this one. Kapag po gumagawa kayo ng TS diagram, kapag po pump, tuwid po. Ano, yung halimbawa itong process 1 to 2, tuwid po siya kasi po constant yung entropy natin. Ganun din po dito sa turbine natin. Halimbawa po, ang inyo pong drawing is 5 to 6 na katulad nito. Yan. Halimbawa, ang inyo pong drawing is itong 5 to 6 na ito. Yan. Make sure that this is a straight line. Hindi po yung katulad nung sa iba na yung drawing. Andito po yung isa, andito po yung isa, straight daw po ito. Tapos andito po yung isa, straight. Minsan naman, may mga drawing na andito yung reheat, andito yung isa, tapos andito yung isa, tapos yung isa nandito sa loob, ipinilit ng pumasok. Yan. Make sure po na straight line ito. Kahit po yan ay hindi nasa loob, as long as straight line itong side na ito. Yan, straight line ito. Kahit po yan ay nasa labas. Ganun din po dito sa pump. Again, kapag po pump, kapag turbine, straight line. Pump, straight line. Kasi po, this is constant entropy. Yun lang po yung pansin ko sa ibang drawings. Po, So, ayun. The instructions din naman is already uploaded here. Yan, nandito to. So, use engineering lettering. Capital letters for all headings and titles. So, if hindi nyo po kaya na sentence keys yung inyong sulat, you may do all capitals. Okay po? If hindi po kaya na sentence keys, you may try to use all capitals if saan po kayo masanay. As long as naka-engineering lettering po tayo. Still, no rounding offs. No rounding offs po tayo. So, kailan po ang pasa ng problem set 2? Sa day po ng ating finals. Okay po, hard copy and soft copy. So, may additional points po ba kapag ka nagpasa ng mas maaga na tama yung sagot? Pwede naman po, yung soft, yung soft copy. May additional points po yung magka-submit ng earlier than the expected submission. Okay po. So, I'm giving you this. I'll be uploading this now. Naka-assign na po sa inyo. So, sana po is magawa nyo po agad, masolve nyo po agad. Kasi po, malay nyo, again, malay nyo, ito na po yung kasama sa quiz 2 as well as sa final exam. Po. So, is there any questions, clarifications? So, bukas po ba may klase pa? Bukas po, I'll be showing to you the diagrams of this problem set. Yung tatlong problems. I-share ko po sa inyo yung diagrams po nito para mas tama yung magawa ninyo bukas. Yun lang yung gagawin ko bukas. The rest of the time, up until weekends, meron kayong time para magawa ng problem set as well as para makapag-review sa subjects. Okay pa, bukas po siguro kahit 30 minutes lang tayo mag-klase. I-explain ko lang sa inyo yung problem set na diagrams natin. May goods po. Yan. So, if you have questions, clarifications, if, requests, so I am open for that. You can message me through Google Chat. So, I'll stop sharing my screen na po. So, before I end our discussion for today, so kindly open your cameras po. So, let's have an online attendance po. Engineer Justin, you here po? That is. Yan. So, Engineer Justin, if you're good, can you take a screenshot po ng ating class? Pa-count pa ako para po nakasmile ang lahat.
Morning po.
Morning po.
Unang extraction natin, sabi din, steam is extracted for feedwater heating fluid at 2.5 MPa. 2.5 MPa. And then yung second extraction natin, condensing pressure naman natin, that's
Once kids to po, Engineer Justin, pa-count lang po ako.
so that for illustration purposes, kung makikita natin medyo malayo kasi sobrang taas.
Others po, please open your cameras.
So that our TS diagram para lagyan ko natin dito ng label for our mass. Ito, 100% yan, or 1. So, yung instruction natin, that's
1, 2, 3.
That's why yung from 8.8 to 8.8.
Okay na po.
Okay na po. So if you have questions, clarification, requests, concerns, anything na related po sa subjects natin, don't hesitate to ask me through Google Chat po. Thank you po and have a great